Strong winds and high temperatures fueled wildfires in southern Albania, spreading rapidly in the Delvina municipality on July 27th, according to the country's defense ministry. The ministry described the situation as serious in a statement, noting that members of the armed forces, firefighters from the Civil Emergency Support Base, and a Black Hawk helicopter had been deployed to combat the flames. Wildfires have swept across Albania's southern districts in recent days. On July 26th, local media reported over 20 fires erupting in the Bulkiza and Closer Matit areas, consuming hundreds of hectares of pine forests and pastures. Strong winds and scorching temperatures were cited as contributing factors. On July 25th, a wildfire near Delvina injured 3 people and prompted the evacuation of approximately 2,000 residents, highlighting the severity of the escalating crisis.
Board.